Winter vegetable pasta filled with colorful veggies and spaghetti for the best of both worlds. Made with beautiful rainbow tomatoes and spiralized butternut squash, green squash, and yellow squash. You can use regular cherry or grape tomatoes and use chopped squash if you don't have a spiralizer at home. Instructions: 1. Cook pasta to al dente. 2. Roast the Brussels sprouts in a 400-degree oven on a large tray until tender and browned by sprinkling them with oil. Toss and a generous dash of salt and pepper. 3. During their cooking, toss halfway and cover with foil if getting too browned. 4. Meanwhile, in a large pan, add onion, salt, pepper, 2 tablespoons oil, and cook until translucent, adding a bit of water if needed. 5. Add garlic powder, white wine, or sub-vegetable broth, and let bubble until most of the wine is evaporated. Let a couple of tablespoons remain. 6. Add tomatoes and butternut squash noodles. Cook 5 minutes, stirring often. 7. Add all remaining ingredients, including spaghetti and roasted Brussels sprouts. Toss to mix thoroughly. 8. Garnish with more parsley if desired. 9. Serve and enjoy. Ingredients: half lb. spaghetti, 1 cup Brussels sprouts sliced lengthwise, oil for roasting, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon salt, 3 by 4 tablespoon pepper, 2 tablespoon plus 3 tablespoon olive oil, half or 1 tablespoon garlic powder to taste, half cup white wine, 1 or 1 by 3 cup tomatoes sliced, 1 cup butternut squash noodles, 1 cup green squash noodles, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley finely chopped. Need more help with the Mediterranean diet? Check out our proven 28-day Mediterranean diet meal plan. There have been over 1,000 people that have tested it out and loved it. So stop wasting your time and money on diet plans that don't work and check it out now. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video and want more amazing stuff on Mediterranean diet, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for getting latest updates.